Welcome to our first video on this channel. Let's delve right in. We are configuring DHCP server on Cisco Packet Tracer. For this lab, we will need a server which can be found under End Devices, Server. We just click on the canvas. Then we are going to go to Network Devices, Switches. We're going to choose a 2960 switch. It's going to be placed on the canvas as well. And then we're going to go to End Devices. We're going to grab a laptop, a PC, and a network printer. Once we have our switch and the endpoints, including the server, we are going to go to Connections, and we're going to choose the right cable to connect these devices to the switch. Because the switch was considered to be a different device from the other ones, we are going to use a straight through cable all across. We go to the fast Ethernet 0 on the server and we connect it to port 1 on the switch. We pick another straight through cable and connect port 2 on the switch to the Ethernet port on the laptop. We do the same for the other two devices, connecting port 3 on the switch to the PC and connecting port 4 on the switch to the printer Ethernet interface. We have all the connections that we need. Now we head to the server. We click on the server, we head to desktop, IP configuration, we keep it at static, and we enter 10.10.10.1. We need to change the subnet mask to be 255.255.255.0. We can close the window, or we can just head to the Services tab. In this case, let's close the window, go to Services, and let's click on DHCP. As you can see, the start IP address is already matching the range that we entered in the other screen. So right now what we need to do is to indicate or confirm once again that the default gateway is 10.10 to 10.1 and the DNS server, which could be the same address. And that's what we're going to do in this case. Do not forget to turn on the DHCP service by clicking on, and then we click Save. We can close this window and we head to the endpoints. First we go to the laptop, which in Packet Tracer by default these devices are on static, so we need to force them to grab a DHCP address by clicking on DHCP. As you can see, we got the first address for the laptop. Close the window and we repeat the same process for the PC. Going to desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. We get our second IP address handed out by the DHCP server, and then we go to the printer config fast Ethernet 0, which is the only one that's available, and we go from static to DHCP. We wait and we receive our IP address for the printer. I hope this video helps you to set up your first DHCP server using Packet Tracer, and I invite you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for future networking videos. Thank you and happy learning.